Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you how to change the DPI of a given figure. So, with the help of origin program, you can change the DPI of a figure easily. If you have drawn the figure already, you can select the graph. So, once you select the graph, you have to click on the graph and go to File. Here, you should click on Export Graph and click on Open Dialog. Here you will get the interface like this. You are going to have these options. So image type, in which form you want to save, JPG. According to your requirement, you can change JPG, GIF, PNG, which form you want, you can change. So I am going to click JPG. So if you click, next you should go to the path here. So here in which folder you want to save, you can select. If you want to save to drive or desktop, where you want to save, you can save. I am going to click here the downloads or desktop. Okay, desktop I will select. Okay, so the graph is going to be saved on desktop, and here the JPG option, if you see resolution, you can see here. If you want 300 dpi, you can keep 300. If you want to make it 600, or else if you want 1200, you can make it 1200. So let us make it 600. Click on OK. Okay, it is processing. So graph is going to be saved on desktop with the change of DPI. DPI means what? Dots per inch. So you can go to the desktop. So graph, where you can see, this is the graph that has been saved on desktop. So its DPI is changed 300 to 600. You can make it 600 to 300. So you can make changes easily with the help of origin. You are not supposed to go to the Google and change the DPI. You can change the DPI with the help of origin program. So here once again I will select this graph and go to export graph, open dialog. So this time I am going to make it GIF or PNG, you can select. So GIF I will select, and here path you should select. Here I am going to save this time on the you can save it to any folder. So downloads I will select. Okay, and then DPI resolution, here I will make it to 1200. Click on OK. So the graph is going to be saved in downloads. Because you can save lot of time with the help of origin once you want to change the DPI of a given figure, because in many of the research papers or project work, if you want to represent your graph, want to change the DPI at that time, it is very helpful. So it has been changed. So let us check and go to the downloads. So here is the graph. Its DPI has been changed to 1200. So like that you can change the DPI of a given figure. Once or if you have drawn already, you can select that graph in the origin program and go to file, export graph. and make the changes. I hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe.